every letter of alphabet lore out of candy. First, I bought a bunch of candy, sending me hurtling towards bankruptcy. I'm using apple slices to make A.
But Finn, apple slices aren't candy.
Shut up, mate. I'll put some melted chocolate on top with food coloring to make it red. I'll add some sprinkles for eyes and it's done. For B, I took a blueberry muffin and cut it in half, the best way I knew how, using my bare hands. I put it together and covered it with icing, again with my bare hands. Eyes and teeth top it off. Doesn't it look the exact same? For C, I'm gonna bake a really big cookie. Hopefully my oven can take it. A D has a hole in the middle, so a donut is perfect.
Sight, D from alphabet lore doesn't have a hole in it.
Uno reverse card. This donut doesn't have a hole. I got 3 contraband chocolate eggs that are illegal in the USA, and I smashed them. Oh, they're kind of sturdy. Anyway, they have toys inside. I'm gonna make E out of the toys. Can't wait to eat it. Since F is solid black, I got these licorice strips and arranged them into shape. I added some eyes and teeth using some chocolate pieces. F is a villain, which means licorice is perfect for him because it's disgusting and horrible, and I hate it. It is the worst. I got this long strip of gum to make G. Unfortunately for G, I love chewing gum. I got these honeycomb pieces to make H out of, but the honeycomb is trapped inside. Just as H was killed, I will have to kill the materials too, with a large hammer. I'll add the pieces to some chocolate with food coloring to get the green. Add some eyes and we're done. Ice cream is easy for I. First, I melted some ice cream by standing beside it. I'm very hot. Then I mixed some blue food coloring in. I poured it into a mold. Then I freezed it again by standing near it. I'm very cool. Done! For J, I mixed up some jelly and then threw in some jelly beans as well. Why not? Time to see how it turned out. Ugh. Okay, I salvaged some jelly from that abomination and I put it into the right shape, so that's J. Oh no, the feds found out I got those eggs from the black market. Tell my subscribers I love them! Do you know how many candies start with K? In Australia, the answer is 1. Koala bars. Unfortunately for this guy, I need to turn him into a K. Lovely. I was gonna make L out of licorice, but I already used that for F, so instead I'm gonna make him out of lollipops. Doesn't that look exactly like an alphabet lore? I got these marshmallow poles and mashed them into shape for M. Eyes! Get me more eyes! I was trying to think of which candy best represented N, and then I thought, I'm a nerd. Nerds! So I got a packet of nerds. It was in rainbow colors though, and I only need orange, so I sorted them by hand. I spent an hour on this. I stuck them in some chocolate and let it cool. Oh, that one looks yummy. O is an Oreo cookie with eyes. I said with eyes. Where are the eyes? I got these weird popsicles. I guess I'll have to make them fit manually. For Q, I got some quackers. That's crazy. I can't wait to crunch on these quackers. I made R out of chocolate, food coloring, and Rice Krispies. Now he just needs an eye. S is really easy. Since it's a green snake, I just got a green snake. I can make T out of Toblerone. That's a very expensive candy brand. Do you know how many candies start with U? None, not one. So I got this box from some brand named Uncle Toby's. There's a U in that. That'll do. I was gonna make vanilla cake, but my oven is still exploded, so I got these 2 bars of violet crumble and just made a V out of them. W will be made out of Werther's Originals, the most delicious candy on the planet. Every grandpa has them in a bowl, and I love to crunch on them with my teeth. I made W out of this heavenly treat with some chocolate. Look, a regular biscuit. I will put these 2 in a cross to make an X. Eyes. It will take a truly delicious candy to make Y. Yogurt. It's close enough. I wanted to make Z bigger than the rest, so I got this white pavlova cake and cut it into a Z shape to make a really big letter. I added icing and chocolate for the eyes and teeth. There, all 26 letters of alphabet lore made out of candy. Now for the best part. Thanks to all my members here. Very cool. Okay, thanks, like and subscribe.